I'm at Habit Salon and Chrissy talked me into extensions, so we're gonna get some extensions today.
Okay.
Hey guys.
You've never had extensions ever?
Never. Actually, I had like clip-ins.
You just do sew-ins and just so it's easy. And then you just, like, it won't even be that crazy. Like, you won't put that much hair.
Because they're using extensions? What the heck?
She's like, I'm here, might as well.
Yo, guys, I'm being very brave today. I don't know what side of the bed I woke up on today.
No, you're gonna be like, why did I wait so long?
Now I just need like a little bit of length because like my hair was dead, but it's alive now, so it's okay.
Yeah. Or just add a little bit of hair, maybe a tiny bit of length. What do you think?
Yeah.
If we're gonna do it, you might as well.
Might as
But
well.
we won't put too much hair. It'll look so natural. We'll make it look good. Okay. Perfect. Like a tiny bit longer than your hair, but not a lot. I think that might be kind of cute. You know?
Yeah, I think it'd be cute, but also like the length.
Like if you're gonna do it, you just go.
But I do like this length.
You can tell the difference in the colors. Only look at the ends. Like,
This one's a little brighter, but
Yes.
it's not like.
what do you think? Like,
I would rather have this one
Okay.
just so that it would blend in more.
Yes, okay.
But I feel like this kind of like is like in your face.
I know. It's like a little pop.
But I really like this.
That looks
like,
really natural and cute.
and I feel like it could blend a little bit.
Yeah. I feel like let's just. I feel like this. If we're gonna do it, we might as well just go a little longer.
Yeah.
I mean, that is a little longer, but is that long enough?
My point, like, might as well just go out.
What about like if you blended these two colors together?
Okay, I definitely like that.
You're right.
Yeah, because it's more like brighter.
Mm-hmm.
I really like
Yeah. Do you think that's cute?
Like, I like that a lot.
Like it's a perfect mix. Okay, let's do it.
Woo!
Literally, like, we just got that clothes this morning.
I'm glad y'all got it, guys.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like in love. Guys! I love it.
Like, are we kidding?
Guys, I'm a different person.